Guys, so I have this whole box of markers. We're gonna go through the colors. This is from a long time ago. So I'm gonna do some purple. Let me double check this works. Perfect, works. We need two. I want to try it, obviously. Is this white marker? I'm not gonna use it all. You make a little yellow one. Make a green. That's all. Okay. I've already made half of these, so. I did not make blue. I've only made blue and pink so far, but they are really cool to make. I make this one without soap, so those are all the colors I have. I'm gonna do purple first. Obviously, I need water first. Two markers first. One. There we go. I got it. I got the water. Okay. And we're gonna dye the water purple. Wait, one marker might actually work. Yup. Marker's gonna work. So we're gonna take two purple ones. Okay, I got the whole thing. I'm gonna drop that in there and I'm gonna let it soak up all of the purple. Okay, the whole thing is out. Like empty in there because I took out the thing. Okay. It's all done for. Now it's done. Alright. That's a pretty purple. We need some more water. Okay, I'm matching color. Add pencil. So not to go real hot. You want to keep the color. To add a little bit of blue soap or any color. Doesn't matter what kind of soap. It won't matter what kind of soap. Okay. These are pretty cool. Okay. Now all you have to do is mix it up. Ooh, it's pretty, it's nice. Nice one. Good on that one. Oh, it's not even funny. Really nice. Okay. That's one down. We need two more. Great. We're gonna do green next. We're doing green next. So I'm gonna fill it up with water real quick. That's as much as I added last time, kind of. I added a little bit more, but it's fine. Okay. So we're ready to do green. Okay, that's a good sign. You already know what we're gonna do. We're gonna take it out and put it in there. Let it soak up for a second. Okay. Okay, perfect. Pretty green, okay. Okay, we'll buy some for me. Need squishies. That's a realization. Boys might not have squishies. Now let's see. Okay, some soap. I'm gonna grab a cup of water so you guys don't have to wait for me for the whole time. Now I'm dipping some water. Okay, I'm gonna grab a cup of water. Okay. Ow. Yes, right. Okay. There we go. Okay. I'm gonna grab some water. Oh, I grabbed some water. Now we also have to put some in right now. Okay, that's enough. Maybe need some more soap. Pour that in. Okay. These are really cool. So far, they're really cool. So far. People might hate them actually. I hope they really don't. No. they don't. Double check. Okay. And I got a gift. Whoa, woo, that's pretty. Okay, now this is really cool to play with. I'm like, just satisfying to like shake up. Out of each one, I will choose green. Just like, I like mint. Okay, I'm gonna have to get all the air out of here. I have to bubble my air in the squishies. Air is out. Okay. There's a little bit of air, but it's like way better now when you take out the air. It's way better. I have a feeling like some of them are going to just pour them in like a drink or something like that. And tell them that I use marker for these ones, and I use like soap for the other ones and conditioner, so they don't eat it. They can't eat the soap, so I would expect they don't eat this. So yeah, and green and purple. Now, the last thing we're gonna do is yellow. Okay. Some water. Okay, that's enough. Okay, yellow dye. Green marker. So pretty. Okay. I was thinking about just using my keys for a second. Like, what the hell? Why is it coming off? It usually comes off super easy for me. Come on. I just ate marker. Oh my god. I want to make these. Okay. You just have to let it sit. Oh, let that sit. Okay, I think the yellow is good enough. I think I'm gonna die. I just ate poison. Any moment my mom could be coming inside, so better go fast. Better fast and go fast. I need more water. I think that's enough. Perfecto. Perfecto. I still have some water left of this. I think I'm gonna keep. I'm gonna make more for me. I just need to do these. I'm gonna need them both. Okay. Oh, this is cool. This one kind of looks like the light green, but it's okay. Now I have all of these. Oh my god. Okay, no. Oh my god. Okay, I have all of them in my cup. Right now I'm trying to be careful just in case some of them leak on me, because I don't know if they're shut fully. It's that chat. Oh my god, I have to place these down somewhere. Right here. You can go right here. Okay. That one can go right there. Okay. I have all these water squishies now. Oh my god. I think I'm gonna keep the green because I like the green the most. Like green. Let me take off the air out of them real quick. I feel like it. Okay. Check. Shut. Okay. Now, like, all the air is gone. Very nice. Perfect. Okay. Okay, has anybody done anything on my... Of course it's dead. F equal. What the heck? Cuckoo. everything for my dad. Okay. Think break. Oh my god, my pants are getting run over right now. Okay. I have all these squishies, including more. Just I can't fit them in there. Well, oh my god. Okay, now I have to make a new cherry one because I just realized I gave that one to the customer in the dumpling package thingy. No man, because I'm running out of paper either way. I'm gonna hang that up after. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh yes. Is that one of those? Here. Oh no. What? I have these pins and I'm really scared. Okay. Where's my first one I need so far? Coconut. Kill the ant with my finger. Those are hard to push in, damn. I didn't know they were that hard. Ah! Oh my god. Okay, never mind. I'm not hanging that one. Okay, we're gonna make a cherry one real quick. Let's go to CVS for my knee. Coconut water. This is one para my... Okay, I'm gonna make my cherry real quick. Cherries. Okay, I was actually watching a video while doing this, so kind of like distracted right now. But you guys, okay, I'm gonna watch a video while doing this.